Over the centuries, and even across continents, the ideal of beauty may differ. Obesity is seen as a sign of wealth in some parts of the world even today. A thin person is perceived as poor. However, the health issues related to body weight are clear today, irrespective of the aesthetic ideal. If someone suggests that you can lose weight if you swallow a pill, then that's just nonsense. The basic truth remains. A balanced diet and sufficient exercise are key to keeping slim and fit.
Yeah, and of course we usually notice after Christmas that there are some foods that make us put on more weight than others, like cake or meat with a high fat content. It's logical, too many carbohydrates and fat make us fat. And it's obvious that cream cake puts on more weight than lean meat. But have you ever heard of plants that don't like to be eaten? Many plants protect their hard-earned energy, or in other words, calories, from the pests that want to eat them. Did you know that our common garden bean protects itself from being eaten in this way?
The garden bean, also known as the kidney bean, is the second most protein-rich fodder plant after the soya bean, and therefore perfect fodder for pests. The bean, however, cuts off access to the carbohydrates inside the bean to prevent the pests from growing strong. The bean forces the pests to a separation diet. Clever, isn't it?
An even cleverer combination is a concentrate made from white beans together with a fiber-rich cactus fig that grows in North Africa and Mexico. This fig has a lot of fiber that is particularly effective in soaking up fat. Unfortunately, it's also a little tricky to eat and not very tasty. But Forever has overcome that problem with this practical capsule so that you can benefit from the combined advantages of both plants.
In addition, you will also benefit from chromium, a trace element that plays a vital role in regulating our sugar level. With the lean food supplement, you can prevent possible deficiencies. You will find plenty of chromium in oysters, Brazil nuts, and mussels. Compared to these superfoods, other foods only have 1/10 of the amount of chromium.
In other words, you should always remember to add 2 Brazil nuts, a small portion of white beans and cactus figs to your pasta dish if you want to make sure you don't put on weight. Or you could simply take a lean capsule with the article number 289. And it's best to take these 10 to 15 minutes before your meal with a little water.
The Forever Shakes, with the article numbers 19 for vanilla and 21 for chocolate, are a great combination with the lean capsules. As a basic principle, you should remember that the more muscle you build through exercise, the more excess calories you will burn. Fat just hangs on, but muscles burn fat even when you're lying on the sofa. So, just grab your running shoes or head on down to the fitness studio. You will reach your ideal weight faster with the help of a balanced diet and Forever Lean and Shakes. Let's summarize the ingredients of Forever Lean with the article number 289. It contains extracts from the protein-rich white kidney bean and the cactus fig, combined with chromium, a vital trace element.
And we wish you every success with it.